Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are here at the moment at the park, the beach. I'm hungry. I'm going to prepare my meal. Yeah, it's just going to be a rice and siomai I bought yesterday. I'm going to make a coffee first. And actually, I checked my fridge and I still have this. Yeah, I totally forgot about this. This the beans and adobo sauce. A long time ago, I'm not going to eat it. I'll throw it in the bin. I already have this rice here, but I'm going to transfer it here in the bigger rice cooker. That's enough. Yeah, it is boiling now. And I'm actually going to just drop it inside. Yeah, I'm eating in a paper cup because I'm lazy to wash the dishes. But this paper cup is not good. The previous one was good but expensive. 20 pieces is $4. This one, 20 pieces, $1.20. Big difference. Yeah, it's bland. The shoma is bland. I need some soy sauce. Look at this. Yeah, there's no sign of the damage. This is how beautiful it is here at the moment. Yeah, the sun actually is showing somehow a little bit over that side. And there's a lot of black swan over there. We're back here in the car. And the time now is already 9 o'clock. My duty today is still at 12 o'clock. So I still have time. Lots of people actually down there. They are walking their dogs. I get inside here because yeah, the wind is becoming harsh outside. Oh, in case you don't know, I'm actually having this Samsung Galaxy S Tab. Yeah, 9 Ultra. Yeah, the screen is much bigger than laptop than my laptop. And I have been using it for maybe 2 months now or 3 months. Yeah. So basically I am using it for editing the video, for uploading the video. Yeah, for everything now I am using this tablet. It works like a laptop. But of course, laptop has more features than this one. Yeah, it's not perfect, but what's that noise? What's that noise? Yeah, it's not perfect, but yeah, I'm able to use it for my daily use. Yeah, I mean, I don't have any more computer. I don't bring my computer anymore. Yeah, it's always in my computer is in my apartment. I always leave it there, and I always carry this. And at the moment, I'm uploading this video. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I'm making a coffee. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. And I come straight here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. I actually already went to the grocery. And yeah, I bought this. This is a pancake. 2, 4, 5 pieces because one of these I already ate. And I also bought this. Oh, it's very deep. Yeah, this is mild chicken curry and rice. This not frozen. This just $5 from Kohl's. This is going to be my dinner. Yeah. I am supposed to go to the swimming pool, but they are going to close at 4 o'clock. It is now 3:03. Actually, 1 hour is good enough. Yeah, for me to practice swimming. But yeah, I was already boiling in the water and already having this coffee. I think tomorrow they are closed, the swimming pool. I don't understand the weather. During my break time, it was cloudy everywhere. The sky is covered with clouds, dark clouds. And then when I finished my duty, I get out. Yeah, it was sunny, but big parts is cloudy. And then when I get out of the building of this shopping mall, there is a little rain. Now it's cloudy. Too hot. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Alburam Arena, and today I actually work from 6 o'clock and I finish 2 o'clock. And I drive straight here at Alburam Arena. Yeah, today is Sunday, so there's so many people here. And you know, I actually discovered a laundry shop. Yeah, there is a laundry shop here in Alburam Arena. So maybe tomorrow or yeah, in the coming days, I'm going to do my laundry over there. Yeah, very nice. But there is no folding area. They don't have table. They have just the washing machine and dryer. And I'm actually going to eat. I don't know if this Sonan Thai restaurant is open. Because you know, most of the restaurants here in the Bay Area, they close at 3 o'clock. Yeah, and then open again at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So basically they are open from 11 to 3 o'clock. And then they close and then open again for dinner. Yeah, look at that. So it says close. Actually, I'm going back. Yeah, I remember that I have I have put in the bun. Yeah, the one that is coming from Woolworths or Coles. Yeah, the microwavable one. And then I have another one, takeaway, that I bought from Chinese takeaway yesterday. Oh, and if you notice, this is actually the bridge before, but yeah, it's totally gone. The bridge totally cleared. Inside here is a little warm because of the heat from the sun. Oh yeah, this one actually I bought from the Chinese takeaway yesterday. Hopefully it's still good. Yeah, it's still good. But I want to eat it with rice, so I'm cooking rice first. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Yeah, I'm going to the grocery to buy water. And yeah, just water. And I actually have this bottled water. Yeah, this one, the sparkling water. And I'm going to put it in the return and earn. If there's a queue or if there are people there, I'll just give it to them. But if there's no one, yeah, I will put it in my account. Edit fine. Then, yeah, I've seen a lot of Tesla. Yeah, there's no one here, so I'll just put it for myself. Now I have 80 cents. Very nice. Transfer. Funds will be transferred to your active payout account. Nice. Oh, look at this Volkswagen Transporter. Very nice. Actually, I'm going to buy a bread. A bagel? No, not bagel. I like scones. I'm getting this one. This is just $5.50. Yeah, I'm going to get just 2 of this sparkling water. Oh, it's very tight here. And the next stop is the swimming pool. Oh, what's that? I'm going to go for a quick practice. The swim. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finished 2 o'clock. It is now 3:01. And actually I have a lot of things to do.
Entering time-lapse mode.
Okay. Yeah, first I already went to the grocery to buy water. And now I'm going to go for a swimming practice by myself. Yeah. At least once a week I go for a swim. And then later on I need to wash this car. Yeah, because there are some poo-poo of the birds. Yeah, yesterday I stay again in the place where there are so many birds. Yeah, and now there are so many poops of the birds. I actually hearing them when they are dropping. I was there inside doing my editing, and then suddenly I heard the sound, poop. I was wondering what is that. I said maybe something coming from the trees. Yeah, and when I get here, yeah, it's that, the poops. And another thing that I'm going to do is to, what's the dumbbell? Yeah, is to do my laundry. Okay, yeah, we are now here in the car wash, and this is exactly the way my GoPro was lost. Yeah, so basically I put it there and then I start washing. Yeah, and then the next day I realized that, oh, I forgot my GoPro in the washing station. Okay, it is clean now. Yeah, there's no more poops of the birds. And now next is doing the laundry. Good evening everyone. Yeah, I already finished my laundry. Yeah, I did it here in Mayfield. There's a laundromat there. Yeah, this is my new favorite laundromat. Yeah, because I like the parking in here. And I also like the laundry shop itself. Open 24 hours. And then there is a petrol station here. And I noticed that the gas, the petrol, they are actually cheap these days. Yeah, the diesel at the moment is 163. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, like last year or in the previous months, it was around 200, 190, 180. Yeah, something like that. I'm actually still going to the gym and yeah, going back to Nelson Bay. Because I have the work tomorrow at 6 o'clock. So 42.91 liters and it's $70.16. These $3 actually. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, I'm here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square and I'm going to the grocery. I'm going to buy a bath soap. Yesterday I finished the bath soap. Yeah, after swimming. Yeah, after swimming, of course, need to take a shower and very clean showering. Yeah, because you know the chemical of the water of the swimming pool or even in the beach. Yeah, the salt of the beach. Always need to take a shower. And these are the choices, these are the options for the bath soap here in Australia. Yeah, there's the Palmolive and Dove, Protex, all the other brands. They are kind of yeah, they are not popular. They are not, they look like not internationally popular. Usually Palmolive, Dove, yeah, they are they have in the Philippines, but the rest like this, yeah, they are Australian. Yeah, I prepared the Palmolive one. Actually, the only thing that I bought. I'm thinking I was about to get the food, but yeah, I still have one chicken curry in the bun. I'm going to eat that later after swimming. When I was in the Philippines, my soap is skin white. Even before when I was in Dubai, yeah, my bath soap is skin white. But before that, the family soap, yeah, yeah, my family, the soap we are using Safeguard. Yeah, here in Australia, yeah, sometimes this one, Palmolive. Most of the time, yeah, the bath soap from Aldi. Yeah, nothing fancy. And we are now here at the swimming pool. There is actually 3 swimming pool, but 2 of those are not in use.